This is my new car, 2015 Genesis Coupe 3.8 liter V6 with the 6-speed manual transmission. I've been wanting this car for so long. Absolute perfect condition. I curbed the wheels. That was me learning how to drive a manual on my first day bringing it home. It's got 18-inch Nishimasano wheels wrapped in 245s, 225s in the front. Just gonna do a little quick walk around. Beautiful car. Pretty cold out. Right now I just want to get spacers for it and lowering springs and exhaust. Other than that, I'm just gonna leave it alone for now. I spent too much money buying this. But yeah, really fun car to drive. The paint is in perfect condition. You can't really tell right now because it's wet, it's raining. But yeah, it's polished, ceramic coated. But yeah, the car is pretty amazing. Here's the key. I'll show you the inside. Yeah, it's cold. Rev it up a little bit. Yeah, that's the car. Pretty excited. I'll do lots of things to it.